Big bag. What if we get the franks and wrap it up in bacon and I cook it on the stovetop and have that with our hot dogs tonight, you know? You don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only good to provide this. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that I have. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Babe! Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It is Tatiana and thank you guys for tuning in. As you have seen, today was our annual weekly Aldi grocery run. Yes, and I do mean annual. We go faithfully every Sunday or Saturday to Aldi to get our groceries for the week, and I wanted to show a little bit of BTS of what we do. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will tune back in with you guys later.
Of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. Am I the ending in your map? Like what's the point of coming back? Down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last.
POV.
But I can't tell where your head ends and mine begins. If I had a body's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. In this cold season, close enough. You could tell every time we touch, every time we up. Wish you could feel me, you could palm me. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the battlefield, way too far in. Wonder when they see just someone, do they see us too? Hoping that that secret spill out your mouth and inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, no need to remind you. Wish I could build me a cute apartment, one bedroom, right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far in. I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through?
Man, I tell you what, having to go get groceries in the store and then having to come home and put them away is like a whole different chore. Speaking of groceries, I cannot fathom going to another store other than Aldi to get groceries unless it's Walmart to get a few items, because for me and my husband it's like maybe $100 a week, but I could not fathom going to Walmart and spending $100 on 2 bags of groceries. I don't see how people do it, but it is what it is. I am so over it at this point. If you like today's vlog, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I am Tatiana, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate your love and support. I'll see you on the next one.